Two easy ways to increase your cash flow. Alam kong alam mo na ito. Minsan, ayaw lang natin tanggapin na these are the only ways to increase our cash flow. Don't worry, I understand how you feel. I felt the same way, and I found out that if you just do it, madali lang palang gawin. Marami naman talagang mga problema na alam na natin ang solusyon, pero hindi pa din natin ginagawa or sinusunod. Parang sa trabaho lang din yan. Alam mo na ngang kulang ang sweldo mo, pero nagtitiis ka pa din. You always have a choice. Anong gusto mong problema sa pera? Yung kulang o sobra? In this video, I want to share to you that there is no secret to increase your cash flow. Simulan na natin. The first way is to spend less. Let me share to you these two steps I did in order to save more and spend less. First, you must know your daily expenses and have a list of the expenditures every month. How are you going to do that? Again, like what I have said in my previous videos, it is important to record your expenses every day. You can keep a small notebook where you can write all your expenses within the day, or you can write it in your planner. At the end of the month, compute the total amount per item. You can do it in Excel file, columnar notebook, or download an app. I'm not familiar yet with the app. What I do is I record my daily expenses in my planner and transfer it to Excel file. In that file, I have created a format and I just input the amount per item. I know di naman kayo accountant katulad ko. However, you can do it on your own way kung saan kayo komportable. What is important here is that we have to know our actual monthly expenses. Second, after you have come up with a summary, analyze each item and check areas to reevaluate na maaari pang bawasan. Examine each item to check if there are possible monthly savings on that item. These are the possible monthly savings. Cancel gym membership you don't use. Find alternative ways to exercise. Do own chores. Spend less on gifts for family and friends. Cut down on shopping, clothes and gadgets, and many more. One more thing, when the actual amounts of monthly expenses are available, you can easily do a budgeting na since you already have a basis. This is so simple, but very few are actually doing it. 5 years ko na po itong ginagawa. Kaya simulan mo na din. You will see a big impact on your savings. To learn more about it, just click the link below this video. We know that one way to increase our cash flow is to spend less. Another aspect is to earn more. How? There are many ways to earn more in order to save more and work less. You can be a business owner. You can have a part-time business or try a part-time work. Marami naman dyan. Mamimili ka lang kung saang field ang gusto mo at kaya mong gawin. It is not advisable to give up agad-agad your full-time job, lalo-lalo na kung wala ka pang enough fund. And courage to get out from your comfort zone. What I did bago ako naging full-time financial educator sa IMG is I kept my daytime job muna for 2 years and do IMG mission part-time habang nag-iipon pa ako ng emergency fund. I know mahirap kasi I need to wake up early in the morning to go to work and sleep late because I have to educate people pa at night. During that time din, mas na-develop ko ang mga skills and traits na kakailanganin ko to achieve my goals in life. Natutunan ko na kapag pinili mo pala ang career na mahal mo, there are things that you have to sacrifice, like sleeping time, time for your friends, money, and marami pang iba. There is no such thing as free lunch now. You have to give something to get something. If you don't know yet what you really want, don't be stuck in that place. Don't just quack like a duck. You keep moving kahit hindi mo pa alam kung saan ka pupunta. Bago ko nalaman kung ano ba talaga ang gusto kong gawin, it is a long journey of soul searching. Attending seminars and workshops, reading books, and finding a mentor will help you on this. Knowing your God-given gifts, talents, and strengths also help you to know what you really want. At kapag alam mo na ito, gamitin mo ang spare time mo to start your own business. Naniniwala din ako na kung saan ka man ngayon in your career or finances, there's a reason for that at kailangan mo maging aware kahit bakit ito nangyayari in order for you to discover what you really want. At kapag sigurado ka na, everything will follow. Lahat ng ideas and support na kailangan mo will just appear. When God unfolded my real purpose in life, and that is to educate people to save and invest for the future, I know that I'm going to do it forever. While helping other people build their dreams, I'm helping myself too. Yung inaakala mong hindi mo kaya, kaya mo pala. In short, to earn more, you just have to do what you really love, using your spare time, and work hard on it para maging full-time ka dito. I hope you learned something from this video. Again, this is Nelson Brano from Pinoy Millionaire Mind Club. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my FB page, visit my website, and email me if you have further questions. Remember, Pinoy, you have a millionaire mind. Gamitin po natin.